So now that all the posts are ready to go and pins are cut, I'm now going down the list and cutting the size here for each one. So this one's 7 foot, 9.5 inches. I got that marked here. And I'm going to cut that one now. You see I've already got the pin in here, the primed pin on this end. I'm just getting this one cut to size, and we'll go down and install all these out there with just a battery powered drill auger bit and measuring tools, and I use a little angle brace to secure under the end on this end when it's up on the pole, leveled or positioned the way I want it, and then I can just drill in the end and do the work. But for right now, I'm just going to cut this one to size. Alright folks, I got a broken switch on this thing, and to do this with one hand, it's not that smooth. And sorry about the light, but hey, we have to work with the hours we have, not the hours we wish we had. We are installing 15H braces here this evening, most of them this evening. I've only got 2 installed so far completely. I'm talking about the actual installation of the wooden brace. The wire portion will be done tomorrow, and that's a significant part of the H brace. But tonight we plan to get all these wooden H braces up in place, ready for another working day. Right, goats? We're checking in with these 2 goats. Now, these goats are precious goats to us. This is Esteban, our buck. Esteban, a precious bottle baby who I rescued and brought up. And this is his little mate here, Dolina. And you should be able to see here that with such a lean goat, she's plump here. She's quite plump for such a goat, and you know that there's some babies in there. They're ready to be born. At least one, right? Any day, because these goats were mating 5 months ago. 2 baby goats were just born recently, and many more are expected within the upcoming days. Right, guy? Isn't that right, girl? Dolina, tell us. What's it gonna be? A boy or a girl? Or both? Wishing you the best, sweetie.